food. We must kick out your kids. That's what the evil stepmother told her new husband. So he abandoned Hansel and Gretel in the woods.
All right. Living on our own won't be so bad. No one to say, do this, don't do that.
Hansel was surprisingly cheerful and brave.
Don't worry, Your Highness. I mean, Hansel. I knew this would happen. I left a trail of breadcrumbs for us to follow. If we follow the trail of breadcrumbs back, then...
What?
Oh, brother.
Prince I-kooo, Hansel and Gretel wander aimlessly through the woods.
BiBi, I'm hungry. I need Gretel.
You ate every breadcrumb along our path and you're still hungry?
After following a delicious smell, they discovered a house made of food.
What a great day this will be, for Prince I-kooo will walk into my trap. Now, with Prince I-kooo gone, I will be king. I'll put him at ease with a cup of tea. But then he'll be stuck forever in this house made of food. Where'd he go? Huh?
Your Highness, you shouldn't eat food you just pick up anywhere.
This house must belong to the idiot who dropped all the breadcrumbs.
I'm the one who did that. And the very least, you should wash your hands.
Satisfied?
Why you? How dare you eat my house? Have you no idea how long it took to build this?
Don't worry. I'll pay you back later. It's stuck.
Your Highness, you shouldn't guzzle water like that.
Recommence eating.
Your Highness!
No, my plan will go to pieces if he keeps eating everything in sight. Must change tactics. I shall return I-kooo.
Hey, join me. What's his problem? Guess he's off to leave more breadcrumbs.
That was me! Oh, never mind, Your Highness.
Fine. You don't want any? More food for me then.
What's the matter?
What's wrong with my stomach? It hurts so bad. Something's wrong with my stomach.
At that moment, there appeared a wonderful angel. Hansel, you have food poisoning.
Food poisoning? What's that?
Food poisoning is what happens if you eat spoiled or harmful food full of bad germs. The symptoms are stomachache, vomiting, diarrhea, and a high fever. Food may look tasty, but we can't see everything. You should check that it's made with fresh ingredients in a clean environment. You should check that meat and seafood have been thoroughly cooked. If not, deadly germs can get inside our bodies.
Hey, get away from my dinner! Human, how can we stop them from coming back?
Remember 3 things: wash, cook, and boil. First, wash your hands. You can get food poisoning if you pick up clean food with dirty hands. You must always wash your hands before you eat. Second, make sure your food is thoroughly cooked. Undercooked food has a lot of germs. Do not eat any food that your parents haven't allowed you to eat. Third, drink boiled water. Especially in summer, germs easily grow in water. Drink only safe and clean water your parents give you.
This could have been really serious. Okay, got it. So, to prevent food poisoning,
Wash, cook, and boil. Very good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that nasty I-kooo ate my entire house. I'm so hungry. Hey, what idiot dropped this piece of bread? Oh, thank you.
Mr. Corman, what are your symptoms? Huh?
Stomachache, vomiting, and diarrhea. And I also have a high fever.
sound of the rain today will have a calming effect on many people. Watching the raindrops fall outside my window, it makes me want to just wash away all my anger.
Now is the time of day.
When he starts yelling.
Or throwing things.
That message was from a listener named Carmen.
Something is...
Strange.
We've sent Mr. Carmen a small gift.
I don't need a gift, and you should call me Count! Count! Not Mr. Carmen! Call me Count Carmen!
Yep.
There he is.
Calm down, Carmen. Just relax! Oh, the reason I get so angry all the time is because of Prince I-kooo! Yeah. But I will not ruin another day by thinking of that snotty-nosed little brat! Bear, fetch me my umbrella. I would like to enjoy a nice, relaxing day walking in the rain.
Ah! I can't take it anymore! Come on out! Show your face, chicken!
Your Highness, you need to let it go.
How can I? Someone up there keeps sprinkling us with water! All right, then. I've had enough of this. Take this! Why do you keep doing this to me? What did I ever do to you?
Don't upset, Your Highness. No one is sprinkling us with water. This is called rain.
Huh? Rain?
Yes, Your Highness. Rain is water drops that form in Earth's atmosphere when...
Make it short.
Yes, Prince. It's just water from the sky. It's a natural phenomenon. Rain is important for helping plants grow healthy and strong.
Rain helps things grow.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Please forgive me.
You listen here, Remi. While attending to me, you shall follow 23,577 rules of etiquette.
What a peaceful day, getting away from that loudmouth
Another water bottle.
Yo.
Oh, and there's another.
Your Highness, wait up!
I'm trying to just take it easy today. Why must you come and harass me like this? Why? Why?
What's up with crying in the street, mister?
That is weird. And you know, his face sort of looks familiar.
Oh, no, little boy whom I've never seen before. You should not run on rainy days like today.
Why?
Because you're ruining my mood. No, that's not it. When it rains, the roads are very slippery. You could fall down and get hurt if you run in the street like that. It's very dangerous to run around like that on rainy days. You should never, ever do that.
Why?
Well, the rain can fog up windows or make them unclear, and that means the drivers can't see people outside. And slippery roads mean the wheels spin more, and cars can't stop as quickly as they want to. So you see why rainy days are more dangerous than non-rainy days. And that means you should avoid playing near the street. And never run into the crosswalk, even when you have a green walk signal. And you should always wear bright, visible clothing so the drivers going by can easily see you. And one more thing. When it's raining, you can easily get sick. So be sure to wear a raincoat and carry an umbrella. But don't let the umbrella block you from seeing cars or other people, because that's dangerous. Hold it up straight, or perhaps you can carry a clear one. Accidents are more likely to happen on rainy days, so consider enjoying a nice day at home if you can. Did you get all that?
Uh-huh. I did. Wear bright colors on rainy days.
Hold your umbrella upright.
Watch for cars and don't run in the street.
And on rainy days, consider staying home.
Let's head home, BiBi.
You know, I still think I've seen that man somewhere, Your Highness.
Don't be silly. He's just an umbrella salesman.
And we hope that Mr. Carmen, who wrote us a nice letter, gets better soon.
Count Carmen. Count Carmen Kund! Let's go!
Page 22, 135. Ah, here it is. Popcorn, how to make. Pull lever in center of device and insert popcorn. Rotate clockwise twice, rotate 3 times counterclockwise, then half a rotation counterclockwise. Half rotation counterclockwise. Almost done. Only 10 seconds to go.
Your Highness, that's how to use a time machine, not the popcorn maker.
What? Oh no, it was half rotation counterclockwise. Why didn't you tell me earlier?
Your Highness, where are you? Huh? Your Highness, are you all right? Huh? Your Highness? Your Highness? Your Highness!
So I was pretending to be one of them. Let's get back to the present, baby. Ah, turn on the time machine.
Oh, you have to turn the dial again.
Ah, you useless jump robot. Clockwise twice. And then what? Hold on. I think we made it back to the present.
Looks that way, Your Highness.
But what's that smell?
Your Highness, help me!
Come here, me! Stay away!
Your Highness, you're chasing me!
Stop right there!
What are you up to now, I-kooo?
Start the time machine, baby! We'll go back 1,000,000 years to avoid this horrible creature over here!
Are you going to burn down the past? Fire makes our lives convenient, but we must handle it with care. If fire gets close to walls or curtains, it can burn down the entire house or hurt people. That's why you mustn't play with matches, lighters, or candles. Don't touch gas stoves. And stay away from fireworks. If a fire starts when you're home alone, don't try to put it out. Shout fire and
Fire! Fire!
open the door and escape. Let other adults or the police know about the fire and ask for help. Of course, you should contact your parents. Fire gets energy from the same oxygen we breathe in. If you make a lot of movement, you stimulate the air around you, and that makes the flames bigger. If you need to put out a fire, stay where you are. Try to move the fire so it's facing down and cover your face so you don't breathe in smoke. Roll your body until the fire is completely put out. If possible, it's better to cover yourself with a wet blanket.
Got it, human! Fire is something that's really scary.
작전 교육은 I-kooo.
왕자님은 어디 가신 거야? 검색해봐야지.